typing the application, and then afterwards it will, after it starts, so it will, let's say, pause that, so, and then destroy. So, yeah, so we have here the life cycle, so of the method. So we have the start up, so it is already active, so if it's already active, so you would let's say off to pause it, so meron tayong pause method. So or you could exit the application, so destroy from the method. Okay? So to be able to create a method, so we must create a subclass of the method class from Java application calculate that package. So we must also override or implement the methods start up, destroy up, and post up. Okay, so these are the methods expected by the AMS for running and controlling our business. Okay? Okay. So using the wireless Sun Wireless Toolkit. So we'll now use the Sun Wireless Toolkit to compile and package our business. So we have here. So currently, so what I'm showing you, so as our example program. So I'll be using the NetBeans. So NetBeans is one of the editors or IDE that we could use. So in developing Java applications, we could be able to develop their Java SE application or Java